Exercise 11, boy, question number 25. Okay, so the question is, what is the volume generated by rotating the region about the y-axis, the region shown in the figure? So, can you imagine what is the shape for the resulting solid, right? So, what is, it should be a hollow solid, right? There's a hole inside. Can you imagine? Okay, so let's locate the so-called outer curve, right? Generate a larger solid. So here, y equals 9, the range, right? The maximum point, the y coordinate is 9. So not that difficult to see that this yellow curve will generate a larger solid. In what form? Like something like this, right? This is 9, okay? A curve, so this region generate a larger solid. And then, so I call it outer, right? Outer curve. And then we see that this curve, right? Running from y equals 5 to 9 will generate a smaller, but together with the x-axis, the y-axis and the horizontal line here, it will generate a smaller solid inside. So I call it inner curve here, inner. So the volume required should be the larger volume minus the smaller volume, the inner volume. But how to find them? Okay, for the outer curve, so look at the curve itself. It is a function in x, but this time we are talking about the rotation axis being y-axis. So we need to transform the equation into a function in y. Okay, so this is not that difficult to achieve. Right? Look at this expression. That means try your best to write x as a subject. It will be x equals to something involved in function in y. So we have transpose here 9 minus y, take square root, don't forget plus or minus, and then x equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 9 minus y. Now, you see that we have two equations here. So because we have two curves, right? One is yellow, one is in purple. So which is which, right? The yellow. I say that the yellow, the outer curve should be the equation x equal to 2 plus square root of 9 minus y. Why? Because x means what in the curve, in terms of curve, it is the x coordinate of the points on the curve. So you see that the x coordinate, right, on the yellow curve should be what? Greater than 2, right? Because you see the maximum point here, the vertex is with x coordinate 2. So all the point on the yellow curve should be with x coordinate greater than 2. So x should be 2 plus something. Okay, the inner curve, the purple curve, should be in the equation 2 minus root 9 minus y. Okay, similar reason. You see all the coordinate of the purple curve is less than 2. So here is correct. 2 minus something positive, less than 2. Okay, now we have the equation of the two curves. And then we write down the formula for the volume, right? The volume, Vy I say because y, because I talk about the rotational axis being the y-axis. So it should be pi multiplied by, okay, the larger one, the outer curve generate. That is y equals 0 from y equals 0 to y equals 9. And the function in y should be 2 plus this one, and then take the square dy, right? This is the outer curve, this is the larger volume, and minus the smaller volume. Y from, careful, should be from 5 to 9, right? And the curve inside, the curve of the inner curve, the equation of inner curve should be this. Okay, Okay, so let's copy this equation. Start with a new page. Okay, find the value. Okay, so be careful of finding the calculation. Easy to make mistake. So 0 to 9, this is 4 plus 4, right? And then take the square of the square root, so 9 minus y, and also minus pi from 5 to 9 integrate. So this is 4 minus 4 would minus y, okay, would 9 minus y. So this is dy. Okay, step by step. Okay, this is 13, right? And then minus y, and then add up with this one, and then minus pi 5 to 9, 13 minus y, and negative 4, and that's the okay. Okay, integration, the first one, 13 integrate should be 13y, and then substitute limit, that is 13 multiplied by 9, and then minus should be 1 over 2 y squared, then substitution of the limit should be this one, and then 9 minus y to the power 1 over 2, so the power should be increased by 1, and then divide everything by 3 over 2. But don't forget to change the variable, that's y to be 9 minus y, so you should add negative here. And then, yes, substitution of the limit. Okay, so here also 13 now multiply by 9 minus 5, taking limit. So also this is 9 square minus 5 square, and then minus 4. Okay, similarly, we integrate y, square root of 9 minus y, the power should be adding 1 and 5, okay, 5 to 9 over negative at the power. Okay, so calculator work, right? And the answer should be, just copy the answer, right? It is okay.